Hey guys, this video is going to be a video of what I picked up from the firework booth for New Year's. Got, Pooping Dog. We got a Punk Stick. We got a fountain by TNT. It's called Crickets. Zoom in on the effects there. Got 2 packs of Jumpin' Jacks, buy one for free, $6. We got a tank right here, made by Tank Fireworks. We got some Thunderboom firecrackers, more firecracker. We got another tank made by Tank Fireworks. We got Super Snap Bangers. We have got another Pooping Dog. We have got one by World Class Fireworks. This is 7 shots Thunderdome. I'll actually show that one. Like, I actually have not shut off this one. I don't know if you guys can see. Sorry for just the dimness here. There's a tube right there. This one right there. This one right there. This one right there. There's one there. Right there. And one right there. And then the fuse is on that middle one right there. As you guys can see, there's the fuse. Put that thing away. Then we have Jalapeno Popper. Pretty nice fountain for $2. Cricket's fountain is a little bit bigger. This one right here is Cricket's. This one right here is Jalapeno. So all these fireworks right here costed me like around $25 for all of this. They look pretty good. Just a quick little walkthrough of what all we got. We have 14 items for $25. Pretty good deal. Alright guys. Thank you for watching and have a great one.